Hi friends, today we're going to be dividing whole numbers by unit fractions. If we remember, in our last lesson we talked about KCF, which is keep the first fraction the same, change the sign to multiply, and flip the second fraction to its reciprocal, which just means like 1/3 would be flipped over, it would be upside down is what a reciprocal is. Flip the second fraction to its reciprocal. So you just flip it upside down. Okay, so here what I would do as an example is I would keep my fractions. So the only thing is that when I divide whole numbers, I still have to put them over 1. Just like when I multiplied whole numbers, I have to keep the first fraction the same. Unless it is a whole number, I add a 1 underneath because they both have to be fractions. Okay, then I change my sign. Okay, and then I flip my 1/3 over to put the 3 on the top and the 1 on the bottom. Now, if I was to multiply this across, it would be 6 over 1, which would be 6. So let's do some examples. Make all the numbers fractions. Make all the numbers fractions. So 2/1 divided by 1/8 equals. Keep the first fraction the same. Change the multiply sign, flip the second one, multiply across, and either convert to a whole number or a mixed number or a fraction. So our answer here would be 16. So let's do a couple examples here. And I'm going to get these examples from your textbook, which can be found on page 399. A lot of times it would say, how many 1/8 can fit into 2? How many 1/3 can fit into a 2? And that's what they're asking. Okay, so here are some examples. Number 1, 1 divided by 1/6. Okay, 1 divided by 1/6 would be keep, flip, change would be 6. How many 1/6 pieces can I fit into a 1? You can fit 6. All right, my next one will be 2 divided by 1/2. How many 1/2 pieces can fit into 2? So I would keep it, I would change it, I would flip it, and that would be 4. My next one would be 8 divided by 1/3. Keep it, make it sure it's a fraction, change it, flip it. And my last one, I'm going to do 4 divided by 1/2. Keep it, make sure it's a fraction, change it, and flip it. There we go, 8. So that is how we divide whole numbers by unit fractions.